This video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Page Downloader. So this is the specific extension for Google Chrome. The developers indicate that you can save and download a complete web page as a single TXT file. The trouble is that this Page Downloader extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts to display the huge amount of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome, you should definitely remove it to stop those ads. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. Finally, to be sure that the computer is free of other threats, consider investigating it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating your computer. So, Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and delete other infections which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.